Good morning students. In this lecture 35th we will discuss biased clipper. In the previous lecture we have discussed about unbiased clippers. So in this biased clippers. So what is biasing? It is the application of external voltage across the diode. So in this external biasing is also required in case of biased clippers. So as we are discussing shunt diode clippers, so this biased clipper, it is also the type of shunt diode clipping or parallel diode clipping. Shunt diode clipping means the output, it is taken parallel to the diode or the load resistance RL across which we are taking our output, that is connected parallel to the diode. So that's why it is known as shunt diode clipping. So first we will study positive peak clipping with positive biasing voltage. Now, as I have already told you that external biasing is required in case of biased clipper, and we know that biasing voltage, it can be negative as well as it can be positive. So we will discuss positive peak clipping with positive biasing and then with negative biasing. So first, positive peak clipping with positive biasing voltage. So what will be the circuit? So here we have this Vi as the AC input signal applied across the series resistance R, and across these terminals AB there is diode which is connected having forward voltage drop Vf, and it is connected in this way. Diode is connected with this polarity in positive peak clipping, and in case of negative peak clipping we reverse the polarity of the diode. Means this negative terminal will keep this upward and this positive terminal, this will be downward in case of negative peak clipping. And here we are discussing the case of positive external biasing. So that's why this is the external biasing voltage provided to the diode, and here positive terminal of the external biasing is connected to the diode. So that's why this biasing is positive, and suppose this biasing voltage, it is equal to VR, and this is load resistance RL across which we will take our output voltage or output signal, that is V0. So what will happen? First, during the positive half cycle of AC input, now see that how this circuit will behave towards the application of positive half cycle of AC input at this terminal. Now as you can see that this positive half cycle, it will forward bias this diode, because this positive half cycle, it will be applied to this P of the diode. So diode will be forward biased because of this positive half cycle. And now see the negative N terminal of the diode. It is connected to positive of the VR. It means this VR, it will reverse bias this diode. So in the starting, this voltage is less than this. What is this? Now see the voltage across terminals AB. What is the voltage across terminals AB? Vf is the voltage across the diode, and plus VR, it is this biasing voltage. So the total voltage across the terminals AB, it is Vf plus VR. So what will be the level Vf plus VR? Vf is small but positive, and VR is also positive. So this Vf plus VR, this voltage level, it will lie somewhere around here, above the zero level, because it will be a positive voltage. So now see, in region OA, during the positive half cycle of AC input, in region OA, our input voltage Vi it varies from O to A. It means in this region our Vi, it is less than this Vf plus Vr. And what is this Vf plus Vr? It is the minimum voltage required to forward bias this diode. Because the voltage across the terminals AB, it is Vf plus Vr. So when this Vi, it will become greater than this Vf plus Vr, only then the diode will be forward biased. Till then, diode will be reverse biased. So in this region OA, you can clearly see that our input Vi, it is less than this level, Vf plus Vr. So our diode will be reverse biased because of this Vr. Because the positive of Vr, it is connected to negative of diode. And Vi is less than this Vf plus Vr. So this Vr will dominate over Vi and it will reverse bias the diode. And if the diode is reverse biased, it means it will not conduct. And if the diode is not conducting, it means it will not allow any current to flow through these terminals AB. So no current will flow through AB in region O to A. So how the current will flow? So the current will flow through this R and then through this RL. And what will be the output voltage? It will be I into RL. And what will be I? I will be Vi upon R plus RL. So if it will be this, and if this RL, it is greater than R, then you can neglect this R and then RL and RL will be cancelled out. So our output will be equal to input. It means in the region O to A, our output will follow input. So there will be no clipping. So our output will be like it will follow our input. So it will behave in the same way as that of our input signal. So then comes the region AB. In region AB, you can clearly see that our input signal Vi, now it is greater than this Vf plus Vr. It is greater than this level. During the whole region AB, our input voltage, input signal Vi, it is greater than this Vf plus Vr. So what it will do? As it is the positive half cycle, and it is more positive than this Vr, so it means Vi will dominate over Vr. And this positive half cycle of Vi, it is supplied at P of the diode. It means this Vi in region AB, this Vi, it will forward bias the diode. So if the diode is forward biased in this region AB, it means the voltage across this diode will be Vf and it is conducting. And if the diode is forward biased, then it will conduct, and if the diode is conducting, it means it is allowing current to flow through this terminal AB. And if current is flowing through this terminal AB, then what will be the voltage across this terminal AB? The voltage across forward biased diode, it is always equal to its forward voltage drop, that is Vf. And voltage at external biasing is Vr. So it will be the total voltage across AB. It will be Vf plus Vr. So during this whole region AB, as the diode is forward biased, so the voltage across AB will remain at constant, that is Vf plus Vr. So our output will be like constant, that is equal to Vf plus Vr in region AB. That means positive peak is being clipped. In the input signal, we have positive peak, but corresponding to this positive peak, we have constant signal, constant output during this region AB by removing the positive peak. So why this output it is equal to Vf plus Vr? Because we are taking output across the load resistance RL, and this load resistance RL, it is connected in parallel with this terminal AB, and voltage across parallel ends remains same. So if the voltage across AB, it is VF plus VR during this region AB, then our output will also be equal to VF plus VR during this region AB. So there is clipping in this region AB. Next we will discuss in region BC. In region BC, you can clearly see from this figure that again our output VI, input VI, it is less than this level VF plus VR. So if this VI, it is less than this VF plus VR, it means VR will dominate over VI. And what this VR will do? It will again reverse bias this diode. And if this diode is reverse biased, it means it will not conduct and it will not allow any current to flow through this terminal AB. So no current will flow through this terminal AB, as this diode, it is acting like an open circuit. Or you can say that it is acting like it is not connected in the circuit. So the circuit is just like VI, it is applied to the series resistance R and RL. So what will be our output? Our output will be current I, which is flowing through RL, so I into RL. Again our output will be VO is equal to VI in this region BC. It means our output, it will follow input, so there will be no clipping in this region BC. So our output will be like this. Output follows input. So next, during this negative half cycle. Now see, during negative half cycle, here during the negative half cycle, negative voltage will be supplied to this P of the diode. So during the whole negative half cycle, this VI, because it will be negative, so it will reverse bias this diode. And this VR, as its positive is connected to N of the diode, so it will also reverse bias the diode. So during the whole negative half cycle of AC input, both VI and VR, they reverse bias the diode D. So it will remain reverse biased during this whole negative half cycle. So it will not conduct and it will not allow any current to flow through this AB during the whole negative half cycle. So it will act like it is not connected in the circuit. There is no diode connected in the circuit. So this VI, because of this VI, the current will flow through R and RL. So our output will be like VO is equal to VI, means there will be no clipping during this whole negative half cycle. Our output, it will follow input. So our output will be like this. Then again, during this positive half cycle of AC input, the output, it will behave in the same way as in the case of first positive half cycle. So the behavior of the input signal, the behavior of this circuit towards this type of input signal, it will be same for all the coming cycles. So our output will be like this. So here the output positive half, positive peak of the signal, it is being clipped at the voltage level VF plus VR. So this is all about positive peak clipping with positive biasing voltage. So now you can read the theory which I have already told you from here. Each and everything I have told you. So this is the discussion of positive half cycle of AC input. This is discussion of region O to A. Then comes the region from A to B. This is the discussion in region A to B. Then comes the output waveform, clipped waveform in region B to C during the positive half cycle of AC input. Each and everything I have told you. And then comes the behavior of the circuit towards the negative half cycle of AC input. Now we will discuss positive peak clipping with negative biasing voltage. So the only thing that will change in this circuit, it will be the polarity of the biasing. In the previous case, the polarity, positive polarity, it was here, and this negative polarity, it was here. So here we have just reversed down the polarities of this biasing voltage. So now this, as this negative terminal, it is connected to the diode. So that's why this biasing, it is negative. So it is minus VR. And why the diode, the polarity of the diode is still same? Because we are discussing positive peak clipping. So in case of positive peak clipping, the polarity of the diode is like this. P part is upward and N part is downward. So now, first of all, what will be the voltage across this terminal AB in this case? What is the voltage across diode? The voltage across diode is VF. And what is the voltage across this? It is minus VR. So what will be the total voltage across this AB? It will be VF minus VR. VF minus VR. Or apply Kirchhoff law, Kirchhoff voltage law. So it will be VF as plus minus, then minus plus. It means the signs are not alternate. So this will be VF minus of VR. So again VF minus VR. Now what will be the sign of this voltage VF minus VR? Is it positive or is it negative? Because this forward voltage drop across the diode, its value is very small, that is less than 1 volt. But this VR, it is greater than this VF. VR is always greater than this VF. Because if we are providing biasing, then that biasing, it will always be greater than the voltage drop across the diode. So if this VR, it is always greater than VF, or you can say that this VF, we know that it is always very small as compared to VR. So the value of this VF minus VR, it will always be negative. So that's why this VF minus VR voltage level, it will lie below the zero level. So that's why you can clearly see that if this is the input signal applied to this circuit here, then this VF minus VR level, that is the voltage across the terminals AB, it will be negative, lying below the zero level. So now we will discuss the behavior of this circuit to this input signal. First consider the positive half cycle of AC input. See, during this positive half cycle of AC input, this positive voltage, and it is supplied to P of the diode. It means during the whole positive half cycle, this VI, it will forward bias this diode. The function of this VI, it is to forward bias this diode. Now see VR. As the negative of VR, it is always connected to N of the diode in this case. So this VR, it will also forward biasing the diode. So the function of VI and VR is same during this positive half cycle of AC input. In this circuit, the function of VI and VR both is same. Means both are not opposing each other. Why? Because negative of this is connected to negative of this. It means this VR, it will also forward bias the diode. And at the same time, during the positive half cycle, this positive voltage, it will also forward bias the diode. It means both Vi and Vr, they will forward bias the diode during whole positive half cycle. So during the whole positive half cycle, our diode will be forward biased. So if the diode is forward biased, it means diode will conduct and it will allow the current to flow through this terminal AB. And if current flows through this terminal AB, it means during this whole time, that is during this whole positive half cycle, the voltage across diode will be Vf. Then what will be the voltage across this terminal AB during the whole positive half cycle? It will be Vf minus Vr. And if the voltage during the positive half cycle across this terminal AB, it remains constant at Vf minus Vr, and this terminal AB, it is connected in parallel with the load resistance RL across which we are taking our output. So our output will be same as that of this Vf minus Vr. It means output will be clipped at the level, at the voltage level Vf minus Vr. So our output will be like this. During this whole positive half cycle, what will be the output? It will be at level Vf minus Vr. So there will be clipping during the whole positive half cycle and output will be constant, and that it will be clipped at the voltage level Vf minus Vr, which is negative and is lying below the zero level. Next we will study that how this circuit it will behave to the negative half cycle. During this negative half cycle of AC input, this voltage is negative and it will be applied to P of the diode. It means now the function of Vi is to reverse bias the diode, and the function of Vr, it is to forward bias the diode. It means now this Vi and Vr, they will oppose each other. So in this case, because during this negative half cycle, there is this voltage level which is cutting this negative half cycle at Vf minus Vr. So we will divide this negative half cycle of AC input into three regions, AB, BC and CD. And we will discuss one by one. Now first, in region AB, you can clearly see that in region AB, this is Vi and Vi is negative, but this Vf minus Vr, it is more negative. In region AB, Vi is negative, but Vi is less negative than Vf minus Vr. It means Vf minus Vr is more negative than this Vi. So who will dominate? Vr will dominate. So in this region AB, this Vr will dominate over this Vi, because this Vi, it is less negative than Vf minus Vr. So this will dominate. Then what it will do? It will keep this diode forward biased. It means diode will still conduct in the region AB. So current will flow through this terminal AB, and during this region AB, the voltage across this terminal, it will remain Vf minus Vr, that is constant. So in region AB, output will also remain constant at Vf minus Vr. So in region A to B, output is still Vf minus Vr, means there will be clipping in the region AB. Then we will see in region B to C. In region B to C, you can clearly see that our Vi, it has crossed this Vf minus Vr level. It means now this Vi, it is more negative than this Vf minus Vr. So if Vi is more negative than Vf minus Vr, then Vi will dominate over Vr. So what will this Vi do? Vi is negative, more negative. So it will reverse bias this diode in the region BC. So in the region BC, the diode is reverse biased because of this Vi. So it will not conduct, it will not allow any current to flow through this terminal AB. So it will act like open circuit, or like it is not connected in the circuit. So then the current will flow through this R and then this RL, and our output will be like IRL. This I is VI upon R plus RL, and if this RL it is greater than R, then you can neglect this R, and then this RL and RL will be cancelled out. So VO, it will be equal to VI when the diode is reverse biased in this region BC. So our output will follow input in this region BC. So our output will be like in this region BC. Then again in region C to D, you can clearly see that again our VI, it has become less negative than this VF minus VR. So again this VR will dominate over VI, and what this VR will do, it will forward bias this diode, and this diode, it will start conducting. So current will flow through this diode and through this terminals AB. So the voltage across this terminals AB, it will again be constant, that is VF minus VR. So in region C to D, there is clipping, and then again there will be same behavior of the circuit towards this positive half cycle as in the case of previous half cycle, positive half cycle. So what it was clipping at level VF minus VR. So in this way you can clearly see that with negative external biasing, we have clipped the positive peak of the input signal at the level VF minus VR. So this is all about positive peak clipping with negative biasing voltage. And now you can read its theory, which I have already told you each and everything. This is during the first positive half cycle of AC input. Then during the negative half cycle of AC input. During the negative half cycle of AC input, there are various regions. We have divided this negative half cycle. So this is the behavior of the circuit during the negative half cycle. First we have discussed region AB, then region BC, so this is the behavior of the circuit in region BC, and then the behavior of the circuit towards the input signal in region CD during the negative half cycle of AC input. So this is all about positive peak clipping with negative biasing voltage. So we have discussed positive peak clipping with positive biasing voltage as well as with negative biasing voltage. Now we will discuss negative peak clipping with positive biasing as well as during negative biasing.